Totoo, agree ako. Direct Mamba mentality.
Lahat kami nag-progress in life because of wakeboard.
Na-twist na yung kneecap ko, it went around.
What? So, kumbaga, ang wakeboard is kinda buwis buhay. What keeps you motivated? Kasi lahat tayo may reason kung bakit tayo namomotivate.
Siyempre, for me din kasi, what keeps me going is...
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talentado.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Life Over Whiskey podcast, where we share valuable life lessons and stories you can learn from over a glass of whiskey. My name is Brian.
And I'm Gerald.
Pero today, Direk, it's exciting because you've invited a good friend of yours.
Of course. Actually, itong friend ko na to, Bri, nakaka-inspire to. Kasi, tawag dito, lahat ng sport na pinapasok niya,
Nag-excel siya.
nag-excel siya.
Aba?
At saka,
Gusto
Bri,
mo tutunan ng sikreto niya.
at saka, Bri, hindi lang to basta public servant. I mean, dati siyang lumalaban na nationals for wakeboard.
Ooh.
Doon kami nagkakilala.
Wakeboard dates mo pa to?
Oo, at saka ito matindinan. Nakalaban ko pa siya dati sa isang division, which is Masters Division before.
Wow.
Without further ado, pakilala ko na.
Kalala mo na, Direk.
So for tonight, ang guest natin is Mayor ng Kawayan City, Isabela, Mayor JCD.
Hello to everyone, to all your viewers. Hi Brian, hi Gerald. So thank you for having me sa inyong podcast, and I'm really happy na makasama at makapag-share ng aking life story and yung pinagdaanan bago ako maging mayor. Yeah.
Yes, and we're excited and we're thankful that you're part of this episode.
Yes.
Ayan. So, Direk, pwede bang kwento kung paano ba kayo nagkasundo before pa maging mayor, di ba?
Yeah.
So, paano kayo nagkakasundo? Ano bang ginagawa nyo? Of course, sa wakeboard community kayo nagkakalala. Diba?
Well, maraming bagay. First, we both love to do wakeboarding, and then we both love to edit videos. Okay? Tapos,
Videos? Bakit? Ano meron?
paano ba magbo-bore ng paper street kung hindi ka marunong mag-video, di ba?
So, kailangan habang nag-video ka ba, nag-wakeboard ka?
Yeah, actually, before kasi, one of the requirements that nasama kasi ako sa team ng Republic was to make short edits ng film ng video. So, what we do talaga before, meron talaga kaming riding session that we just film each other. Oh. And then from there din kasi, from filming, doon mo na makikita yung mga tama at saka maling movement mo sa wakeboarding. So, and then that's where you can correct kasi that parang ginamit na first parang ginamit siya na to check yung form and everything. But in the end of the day, nag-e-edit na. To
market, basically.
Marketing, marketing siya basically. Tapos it started from there. Wakeboard napunta sa inuman. Sa mga gimmick. Actually, wake life is different. Para kang rockstar.
Correct.
As in, party all night, compete the next day, party ulit, tas finals ulit the next day. Kasi ang competition ng wakeboarding is 3 days. Elimination, semifinals, and finals. So, and those, lahat ng gabing yun,
lahat ng gabi doon, nagpa-party.
merong inuman. Kasama talaga sa wakeboarding yun. Yes. That's
so,
part of
solid
the
talaga
wake
yung bond
life.
nyo sa community.
Yeah.
Lahat
As
kami
in,
doon, kahit different groups, talagang we all bond together.
yes, there's like a few groups. Ang dami siya. Merong cable rats,
Homies.
merong rots, may homies, yung Wakeaholics, ADHD. Pero iba-ibang groups lang sila. Pero when we're in the park, magkakasama talaga siya. So, tulungan din siya. And we have different age levels din naman ng brackets. So, doon nagkakatalo. Pero meron open. Sumali lang ako doon once.
Yes.
Pero never again.
So,
yun.
nakilala mo si Mayor Direk. Anong pinagdaanan nyo through the years? Kasi I believe kailan tong wakeboard days
2012 kami nag-start, magkakilala. Pero si JC kasi is nauna siya sa akin mag-wakeboard. Kasi as in, isa siya doon sa mga nauna talaga nag-wakeboard noon eh. So, sa kanya kami lumalapit, oy bro, paano ba yung trick na ganito? Paano ba yung trick na ganyan?
Tinutulungan mo din sila.
Yeah. Kasi parang nag-coach din ako doon sa Republic. Na short lang.
Kasi
Pero
mention it direct na you excel in whatever sports
kinda. But actually, madami akong sports.
Correct.
O yun nga sabi na natural athlete yata.
Yeah,
or
natural
something.
born athlete.
Parang ganun. Yeah, something like that. Parang I started grade school, nag-swimming ako, nag-soccer ako, nag-basketball ako. But yun talagang naging love ko talaga is wakeboarding. But ngayon, ngayong medyo dami
Thundercats
ng
na kami.
Thundercats at madami nang nakuha na ipon na injury sa wakeboarding at basketball, na uwi na lang sa golf.
Sa knees.
Yeah, I have 2 operations. I have ACL, MCL, and then this one is patella. Actually, mayroon pa isa, hindi to basketball naman to. Torn muscle. So, talagang, kasi to, due to heavy weight. So, yeah, ilang beses na ako pinagsabihan ng doktor ko na magpalit ako ulit. So, ngayon, I'm starting again kasi itong patella ko was November na punit. And then, early March, I'm starting to go back to the gym at therapy. So, right now, I'm trying to get thin ulit. Kasi, dati parang almost 300 pounds ako. Pero nababa ako hanggang 185. So, ang laki. It's around 2 to 3 years na talagang constant na wakeboard and gym yun.
Yeah.
Magkasunod yun. I started wakeboarding 2004. As in, malaki. Huge guy. I used to break boards nga eh. Meron ako binibiling board, isang araw lang basag ko na dahil sa weight ko. Saka yung tricks kasi ng wakeboarding is demanding sa body.
Correct.
Kaya siguro makita niya, may mga video. Siguro napakita si Gerald sa'yo ng talagang lumilipad ka. Tapos pag mali ang baksak mo talaga, big tendencies, legs talaga ang tama. Saka back. Yeah.
Alam mo, Bray, yung ibang kilala namin, kaibigan namin na international rider, may iba pa nagugulay.
Oh, yeah, si Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah, may director na rin siya ngayon.
Yes,
He's
yes.
doing film na rin ulit ngayon. Yeah.
So, kumbaga, ang wakeboard is kinda buwis buhay kapag high level of tricks na ginagawa mo.
Yes,
Okay.
that's
Pero
true.
kung
That's
beginner
true.
ka, steady
If
lang.
you're just going around, enjoying lang,
recreational
okay lang yun, wala yun. Pero yung mga tricks na nag-flip
Competitive,
ka na,
Mas rail to rail.
yung mga may rails na tatalong ka sa, that's different. That's a whole new story. Pero nandun yung exciting part ng wakeboarding.
So, would you say, Mayor, na you're at this point in your life na you're revisiting yung journey mo rin nung time na yun na you want a healthier life?
Yeah, actually, sports is big
Part of your
influence
life, yeah.
sa buhay ko, being a mayor as well. Kasi unang-una, doon ko nakuha yung self-discipline, yung proper timing, yung consistency, yung lahat ng basic na ginagamit ko for my work. Minsan tamad na ako, pero hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Correct,
Kasi una-una, you oath for your job. Pangalawa, yun na rin yung naging hobby ko na talagang kailangan tuloy-tuloy, kailangan consistency. Kasi one way, yung city ko kasi is kilala for the first smart city kasi may ng Philippines. So we are pushing for the smart, sustainable communities. And naumpisahan na namin. And we are the first to be known. Kaya ngayon, yung naiwan sa akin ng former mayor, syempre, may pangalan na siya eh. Kumbaga may branding na kami.
Correct.
Better than just to push through and to get more cities, towns, and provinces involved dun sa movement na yun. Dahil if we're just a city doing it, malit na impact. Pero if you can make the whole Philippines or the whole country do it, mas madaming Pilipino ang mas magkakaroon na maayos na buhay.
Bray, bago mo tanungin si Mayor with regards sa background niya, nung paano ba siya nung bata siya, tsaka yung fitness journey niya nung malaki pa siya dati, no? So,
bago siya nag-wakeboard.
bago mo siya tanungin, trivia lang sa mga viewers natin, yung POGS, terminology namin yun sa wakeboard.
Wakeboarding, yeah.
Pag nakakabook kami ng trick, pag may tinry kami na trick na medyo buwis buhay, at nabook mo, POGS!
Yun talaga yung pogs yan
Po yun, no?
Oo, yun. So,
Ngayon, may may ibig sabihin na ang
May ibig
folks.
sabihin na pala
which
dito
is-
sa inyo. Yeah.
Alam mo na ba?
No, I heard it kanina but I didn't, people...
Pursue obsession, gain success.
Oh, nice. That's perfect.
which is talagang siya, pinapractice niya yun, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, so...
Kasi iba pa rin talaga if you really have that experience of na discipline, going through hardships. Kasi it makes
Yeah, that builds you up. Basically, parang Conor
make a stronger
McGregor.
person,
Correct.
right?
Conor McGregor is from nothing.
From nothing, correct.
And then, di ba? That's one of the big challenge talaga. That or you do something else sa labas. Sino ba dapat kailangan sarili mo
Sarili
muna,
mo.
di ba? Parang man in the mirror ang dating.
Correct.
So before you change someone else, you have to change yourself first. Yes.
Correct.
Kumbaga, yan the same word din na lead as an example.
Correct.
So, kailangan makita muna sa'yo bago ka makapag-train or makapag-pass on. So, dati din kasi, like, coaching nung wakeboarding. So, parang sila maniniwala sa akin.
And, yeah, trust you, di ba?
Oo, kung hindi naman ako parang fit
Also
for the...
Correct.
Ganun, di ba?
Agree.
Parang if you're not fit for the job or you don't look like it, parang mahirap na magkaroon na, siya siguro pwede. Parang it's different din talaga.
Have you ever been that way, like, ever since you were a kid?
Back.
Since bata nga
Ano
ako.
na ba talaga ang characteristic mo? Or over time mo lang?
Not really. Nung bata ako, medyo syempre, tamad-tamad.
Maloko ka ba?
Maloko. Syempre, ano nga ako tinawag nga nila ako, campus tour.
Kaya ako kasundo yan. Alam mo na kung bakit. Pareho kaming ganyan ugali
Campus tour. I started in Ateneo, grade school.
Okay. Sure, gets agad ba?
Actually, OB ako pala. OB, Ateneo.
OB Montessori?
OB Montessori sa San Juan. Nag-Ateneo ako, nag-Montessori de San Juan ako, and then nag-province ako, and then college ko, San Beda, and then Benilde. So, anim na
So you would say you've been around.
Yeah, I've been around. Campus tour nga.
Campus tour. So back then, you were just enjoying life.
Yeah. Oo, kasi our family's been in politics already since noon. And parang hindi kasi ako umuwi talaga sa province noon. Because before ako maging mayor, ayaw ng dad ko na mayor ako nung mayor siya.
So nalayo ka ba niya?
Yeah, medyo nilayo niya ako kasi magulo nga ang politics, sabi niya. But in the end of the day, doon din ako bumagsak.
Kasi sabi natin direct, you're always gonna go back to your roots.
Pero maganda lang kay JC kasi, bro. Ako, I've seen him grow through the years Actually, I think mamaya explain niya sa'yo na yung wakeboard, lahat sa amin kaming magkakaibigan doon. Lahat kami nag-progress in life because of wakeboard. Mamaya siya magkukwento lahat yan.
Yeah, actually, yung connections natin in wakeboarding, yun ang naging successful. Almost everyone in the group had their different, every strains of life nando wakeboarders. And doon din na-develop, yun nga, like me. Yung I have to be there in the cable park every time. So it's basically nag-reflect din dun sa ginagawa ko ngayon dahil nakasanayan ko na rin.
Pero teka lang, Mayor, may missing gap ako na gusto kong marinig from you So back when you were young, bata ka pa, sabi mo medyo bulakbol ka.
Yeah.
Diba? Medyo, you're just enjoying life.
Yes.
Ano yung tingin mo turning point mo of, being serious? Maybe, was it because na you need the change in your life? Kaya ka nag-wakeboard? Kaya you want to
or dahil the
be
situation
healthier?
calls for it?
No, actually, I know that point in my life na tatawagin na ako to might run as well. Nasa back of my head na yon. That's why nga nung bago ako maging politician, talagang having the time of my life. Nasa utak ko na rin na once I'm called for that duty, kaya ko mag-180. Na kumbaga, you have to let go of all. Para masabi mo na, tapos ko na yan. Napagdaanan ko na. At least, if it's my time to serve right now, I'm doing everything. Just, yung oras ko, nakabigay lahat ngayon dun sa pagsasilbi kasi nagawa ko na lahat before. So, yun yung thinking ko.
Isa doon yung wakeboarding.
Yes, kasama na yung wakeboarding. Kasi sa lahat na ng back of my head na, subukan mo na lahat. Gawin mo na lahat. Testingin mo na lahat. Para once, ikaw na ang gusto ng tao na tumakbo, ready na ako. And wala na akong doubt sa utak ko na sayang, di ko nagawa. At least nagawa ko na ngayon lahat. Yun din yun. That's why sabi na bulakbol ako dati sa lahat ko, ano nagagawa ko. Kasi I had it in the back of my head na there's a time that sasabihin nila na, ikaw na yung tumakbo na susunod na mayor. You have to run this city na. Parang ganon. So, kaya nung time na yun, kung anong pwedeng gawin, wakeboard, drifting, racing, lahat.
Talaga?
Ako. Now, mag-start rin ako mag-drifting. Madami ako sport.
So, alam mo na ba't kami magkaibigan?
Yeah, madami. Nagmamotor ako. Nag-racing ako, nag-4x4 ako. Madami. Daming activities.
You would say na yung mga experiences na yun as well. Diba sabi mo nga, it really helped you develop yung character mo na masabi natin nagamit mo din with your current career na nag-180 ka na, which is
Yeah.
going into what you have been called for.
Yeah. Actually, parang doon ko din nalaman na people person ka. In that way na lahat ng pinasok ko, ang dami ko din naging kaibigan. So, yun nga yung sinasabi nila with my work. Parang, ito, ang daling lapitan. Napaka-cowboy. Kaya daling kausapin, kahit saan mo hatakin, ayos lang. Kahit saan tayo pumunta, kahit, kunwari, iidom. Kahit anong klaseng alak, okay lang din. Kasi, syempre, nung bata tayo, hindi naman tayo namimili nun. Basta merong alak,
Correct,
okay.
correct.
Okay na. Yun naman nun eh. So, yeah. So, basically, one big, sa akin, push talaga sa akin naging maayos. Yung thinking ko nung nagpapapayat ako. Tsaka nung recovering.
Yan ang magandang kwentuhan.
Yung recovering from my knee injury.
So, doon muna tayo sa unang beses mo.
Oo.
So,
First
you
injury
found
ko.
yourself
Yeah.
that you're overweight.
Yeah, I was really overweight. Kaka-college ko nun.
Gano'ng
Kasi,
kabigat?
If I'm not mistaken, meron akong 280, 270
Pounds?
I think I have a picture of that.
Which is if a-flash natin ngayon. Ito, tignan nyo. Yan. So, ito yung picture niya.
Yeah, meron ako nun.
So, you were overweight back then. And
Yeah, I was in solid overweight. Kasi from high school na active in basketball, pagdating ng college, naging tambay tsaka inom. Kaya lumaki. Nawala. Kasi varsity ako simula grade school to high school. Nung bata ako, medyo payat. Pero nung nag-college talagang lumobo. Yung waistline ko, nag-42 ako nun.
Wow.
Ganong kalaki nun. Ang big challenge nga nun is yung unang injury ko was ito. Basketball to. Ito, torn muscle naman to. It was a pickup game sa Ultra with the PBA Legends. Wow. So, yun yung lang. Tapos biglang nag-layup lang ako, napunit. Kala ko cramps lang. So, overnight, bahay lang ako. And then, nung pinasilip ko na sa doktor, punit pala yung muscle ko. So, I don't have a pivot. Hindi na ako makapag-pivot. And then, that time pa lang, sinabi ng doktor, you have to lose weight. Kung gusto mong hindi ka mahirapan, you have to lose weight. So, it started from there. Start ako noon na boxing din. Ito, si EJ, wala kasi mag-boxing to. Boxing din ako before. Nag-boxing ako sa Ilorde pa ako na nag-start noon. Started from there, pumayat na onte, na-introduce naman ngayon yung wakeboard sa akin. So, wakeboarding, competition. Meron pa itong first injury ko, 1 week before Aga Cup. Mulak Cup pa yun. Mulak Cup sa
Lago to,
Batangas.
Lago.
Batangas. Mga old school pa talaga. Eto, na-twist na yung kneecap ko, it went around.
What?
Yeah. Kasi nagtatry ako ng backflip from the water. Pag land ko, yung board ko, nag-stop sa water, tapos nagtitwist pa yung body ko. So, yun yung nangyayari. So, wakeboarding
Visual pa naman ako. So, yun yung imagine ko.
Yun. So, ganun ang wakeboarding. And then, eto, kasi that's overweight din as well. Kasi nga,
Yun yung reason
sabi
nila.
nung doktor ko, kasi yan, hindi kaya i-impact nung tuhod mo kasi mabigat ka. Tapos, nagpalit pa din ako onte. And then, next naman is this one. Davao naman to. Pag backflip ko,
Wakeboard pa din to.
wakeboard din. Pag backflip ko, narinig ko na nag-snap pag land ko. So, from there, diretso Manila, operate. Nagpa-opera na ako. Yun din sinabi ng doktor, you're still heavy. You're still heavy. Palit ka pa.
Alam mo, Bri, no? Si JC, sa totoo lang, kami sa mga wakeboarders, and isa siya doon, no? Parang yung grupo namin doon, mostly kami lahat may, ano man pakinggan na, kasi medyo gas-gas na to, yung Mamba mentality.
Okay.
Lahat kami doon, for some reason, competitive kami. Okay.
Kasi kahit may injury ka na,
Yeah.
sinundan mo pa.
Yeah. Yun nga yung naging starting point ko na naging consistent ako sa gym, therapy. Talagang inubos ko sa therapy. Inano ko yung gym ko everyday. Kasi sinabay ko yung college eh. So what I did in college is my class is MWF, TTHS. Wakeboard ako.
wakeboarding.
Oo. So, hindi ako nag-full load kaya matagal ako sa college. Ano lang ako, 3 to 4 subjects per term.
Sinulit, oo.
Kaya sinulit ko nga talaga. Tapos, from there, ang routine ko, when I wake up at 6 o'clock, I go to the gym. I go to school pag MWF. After gym, school. Kasi ang klase ko, night class. So, yun nga gawa ko. The next day, gym ulit. Tapos after lunch, wakeboard. So, yun ang routine ko for the week. Tapos, yung bandang graduating na ako, mga ilang subjects na lang ako. Ang ginagawa ko na lang nun, pasa na lang ng papers. Papers every day, almost 6 times a week. Ang routine ko, morning gym, afternoon wakeboard. So, yun.
Totoo, agree ako, direct Mamba mentality.
Mamba mentality. Pero, Mayor, ako, as we've known each other for the longest time, no? Pero, ang curious lang ako sa'yo, na never kong tinanong sa'yo to. What keeps you motivated? Kasi lahat tayo may reason kung bakit tayo namomotivate.
Yeah.
Sample, ako, nung time na yon ay motivating myself because, siguro, wag na lang yun noon. Yung ngayon na lang, kasi mas may purpose na ako ngayon eh. It's because of my children. So, kaya ako nag-shift to a vegetarian para humaba yung buhay ko.
Yeah.
And lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon with business or anything under the sun, may, kahit golf pa yan o ano, it's all for my children. Ganun ako mag-isip eh. Now with you, anong purpose mo?
Siguro yung first sa akin, especially with my work right now, is the name of our family.
Okay.
Siyempre, di ba? I have to upkeep yung
Legacy.
pangalan, ng legacy, ng lolo ko, ng tito ko, ng dad ko, everyone that came before me.
Okay.
Unang-una yun. Siyempre, for me din kasi, what keeps me going is yung challenge ko sa sarili ko. Ako yun ang trip ko lagi eh.
Yes.
Yung sarili ko yung china-challenge ko. So, parang siguro sinasabi na overachiever. Yun lang talaga. I just have to level up every day what I do. Yun lang sa akin. Kasi parang sinasabi nga nila, just be consistent, every day, just 1%. In the end of the day, aabot ka na sa 100%. So, yun yung mentality ko. So, I just have to level up every time on what I do. Ganon lang. Mas
different
slowly.
aspects of your life.
Different aspects of my life. May nabasa lang kasi akong I forgot yung nabasa kong book before. Yun nga yung meaning nung book na yun, na parang, you don't have to be perfect right away. You don't have to be magaling ka agad sa but take it day by day. Day by day, a little percent, every day. Pag sama-sama mo na yun, most probably, you're gonna be more successful on what you are now from a few days back. Parang ganon. So, every time, just stop of what you do in your life. Parang ganon ng ano ko.
So, guys, narinig nyo naman yung sinabi ni Mayor, di ba? I think magandang ma-apply yun sa day-to-day living nyo. I mean, di mo naman kailangan maging sobrang pogs or sobrang galing sa ginagawa mo. But, if day by day, ginagawa mo siya, one thing you'll know, sabi nga ni Mayor, 100% ka na. So, magiging pogs ka rin, antayin mo lang.
Don't stop. Don't stop on what you're doing. There are always challenges eh. May challenges sa lahat ng things in life, may challenges.
Galing.
But the only thing that you have to always keep in your mind, inumpisa mo na, nandiyan ka na. Bakit ka pa magbaback out? Just go forward. Just move forward on things that you need to do. At just set a goal.
Nice.
Una-una, set a goal. Set a goal ko, anong gusto mong gawin. Anong gusto mong mangyari. You could start in a week. Meron kang week goal, meron kang month goal, meron kang end year goal. Kasi pag wala kang hinahabol, minsan nagiging lazy ka eh.
Nice.
Pero pag meron kang deadline, kahit naman meron kang deadline sa film, may deadline ka sa paper, may deadline ka pag binigyan mo yung sarili mo ng deadline, by that time, you should have to, at least meron kang nagawa na i-update na, upgrade mo in your sarili. Yun yung,
Ganda yung mentality
siguro.
niya, bro.
Exactly.
Yun yung So, una-una, set a goal, and then just go forward, strive, hanggang makuha mo siya.
So, Mayor, sa mga viewers natin, ano pa ang extra tips or lalo na yung mga kababayan mo? Address mo sila kung ano mga pwede mo ipayo sa kanila, sa mga viewers namin.
What I want kasi, as being mayor ngayon, ang gusto ko kasi is to have sustainable living for everyone. It won't happen if everyone will not join the movement. So, I hope yung mga viewers natin ngayon, like for me na mayor, yung may mga ideas tayo or mga bagong innovations sa ginagawa sa city, just please try to look at it and adapt to it. Kasi yung mga mayors naman, they're not gonna put anything na program na if they're not believing na makakatulong sa society. Pero sometimes lang talaga mayroong mga mali. But of course, give them a chance. Give them a chance.
Galing.
Subukan natin. Kung nakaka-okay, stick to it. Pag hindi, that's the time we could react. Yeah. And then sometimes, adjust lang din talaga. But for me, ang masasabi ko lang din, just get your goal. Huwag ka lang tumigil. Meron nga ako lagi sinasabing phrase.
Gusto ko
lalo na
marinig
pag
yan.
sa mga kabataan. Pag mga kabataan, usually, ang in-end ko ang speech ko na ang sinasabi ko lagi sa kanila, be inspired, stay inspired, and inspire others to create positive change in life. So yun yung lagi kong iniiwan sa mga youth. Kasi magandang thinking siya sa day-to-day life mo eh. Kung may pinagdadaanan ka, kung pagod ka na, may ganun. Yun yung nasa utak mo na stay inspired, be inspired, at lalong-lalo na mag-inspire ka na ibang tao na to join you to create change, di ba? To create positive change.
Ako, direct what I'm getting from this, simple lang eh. There are setbacks and challenges of life, pero take it as it is and move forward. I remember this saying na sinasabi nila na, it's not over until I win.
Nice.
Yeah, it was maganda
Not
yun.
over until I win.
So you won't stop until you're there.
Exactly. So always pursuing a better version of yourself.
Yes, yun talaga.
Ikaw ba, Derek? What's your takeaway from this episode?
Well, ako, sa totoo lang, na-inspire ako sa, alam mo yung mga pinagdaanan ni Mayor, like yung pain niya. So for me, pain is temporary. But, dahil sa high risk ang ginawa niya, high risk, high rewards.
Go big or go home ka
Go
na,
big or go home, bro!
Hoy, line namin sa wakeboard
Line
yun.
namin yun.
Go big or go
Lahat
home.
ata ng mga tagline or slogan ni Derek, galing wakeboard eh. Galing wakeboard days. I believe it's really a huge influence in your lives.
Yeah.
Fitness, activities like that really helps us as a person to
Yeah. Then, tsaka maganda din, diba? Pag nakaka-workout ka, endorphins, happy hormones. That's why ako, I can't, mas gusto kong nakakapag-workout ako sa umaga.
Yeah.
Kasi yung day ko, mas energetic ako. Yun ang naging routine ko since noon, na kahit makapag-bike, makapag-jog a bit, okay na yun. As long as napagpawis ka na.
Yeah.
For me, mas kompleto yung araw ko. Mas energetic ako the whole day.
Ayan. And with that, I guess,
Saan ka ba nila mahanap lang, bro? Bago natin,
Yeah, meron akong Instagram account. It's J number 2 DYIZZO. So, J to the Izzo.
Jay-Z!
Yeah, J to the Izzo. Yeah, yun talaga yun. At meron din akong page sa Facebook. It's JAYCEEDY. If you want to see my official page in Facebook, it's Caesar. Parang Little Caesars. CAESAR. Tapos JNCDY Junior. Kung gusto nyo yung makita yung programs ng city, you could go to my official page. Activities ko, Instagram. This coming few weeks, I'm starting also my vlog.
Nice!
I'm promoting my small and micro entrepreneurs ng city. At the same time, yung adventures and activities ko while doing my job. Follow my page in Facebook and you'll see everything there.
all right. And with that,
Yeah, with that,
thank you for watching, everyone. And we'll see you on the next episode.
cheers!
Yeah, cheers tayo.
Dito kwento ka sa buhay Kasamang mga folks Ilabas lahat ng tunay Mag-relax na tayo Sober man o tipsy Aral makukuha mo sa life